Hi guys, welcome to the Craft Time Studio. I'm Ange and I love sharing my passion for crafting. For today's craft tutorial, I want to share with you some color recipes for spring. I got the color names from the Spring 2020 color palette. Without further ado, let us make orange peel, saffron, denim blue, and coral pink. For all the recipes, we will be using white. The white clay that I used is from the brand Sculpey. We will also use Sculpey III, Red Hot Red, Fimo Sunflower, and Fimo Cognac for the first two colors. As you can tell, some of my clay is pretty hard. A tip that I have is to mix it with the clay that is still soft. And of course, you will need to be very patient with conditioning until the colors are fully integrated. So first, we will attempt to make saffron. I conditioned 1 part white with 2 parts Fimo Sunflower. Once the colors have been integrated, I then mix in 2 parts Fimo Cognac. It's easy to make the next color, which is orange peel, because once you have the saffron, you just need to add a very thin slice of Sculpey III Red Hot Red. You will have to be very careful though in putting in red. Remember that a little goes a long way. The next color we will make is denim blue, which is my favorite color. You will need white, Premo Turquoise, and Sculpey III purple. Mix 1 part white and 2 parts Premo Turquoise. Once the colors are completely combined, mix 1 part purple. Another tip that I have in mixing colors is to mix it 1 color at a time, so that if you need to make adjustments, it's easier to fix the recipe. And finally, for the last color, we will be making coral pink. You will need white, Fimo Flesh, and Premo Effects Peacock Pearl. We will use 2 parts white with 3 parts Fimo Flesh. And then we will just use a sliver of the Premo Effects Peacock Pearl. Just for an additional tip, if you like to keep your colors organized, I make them into buttons and label them so that I can remember exactly how they looked. I also wanted to show you some of the slabs and projects that I've been making with this color palette so that you can see how it looks like. I hope that you learned something new from this tutorial. Do comment down below if you want to see more color recipes in the future. If you haven't yet, do like and subscribe to the Craft Time Studio for more clay and craft tutorials. Enjoy your weekend! Bye!